Hi, good morning everyone. I am Mr. Parth Das. In the last class, we have discussed about the kinds of sentences. Today, we are going to talk about the parts of sentences. We know that a sentence has a different parts. So, today we will talk about those parts. What are the parts of sentences? A sentence has mainly two parts. And what are those two parts? First one is subject. Second one is predicate. Okay, so first one is subject. What is a subject in a sentence? What is a subject? A subject is the thing about which we say something. Means जिसके बारे में हम लोग कोई बात करते हैं, कुछ बताते हैं. So that is called as subject. It can be what, who, anything. Means क्या है और किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So that is called a subject and it can be any noun or pronoun. Subject can be any noun or pronoun. Like for example, if I say Ram is a good boy. So what is subject here? Ram. Okay, because we are talking about Ram and we are using what or who. Who, about whom we are talking? We are talking about Ram. So here Ram is subject. If I say he was going to school. So he, again it is the subject of the sentence because about he and he is pronoun, about he we are talking. So here he is subject. Okay, and now what is subject? What is predicate? The rest of the portion in that sentence means after leaving the subject, whatever the portion is left, so that portion is called as the predicate. This portion is called as predicate. Means from the verb to object or the rest of the matters left in the sentence is called as predicate. So that means what is subject and predicate? Subject is the thing about whom we talk in the sentence and whatever we talk about the subject, हम लोग सब्जेक्ट के बारे में जो भी चीजें बताते हैं, so that is called as predicate. ठीक है, and predicate basically starts from verbs. ठीक है, predicate verb से start होते हैं and subjects are nouns or pronouns. Now there can be different types of subjects. Sometimes in imperative sentences we say stand up. Stand up. Now if we talk about the subject, if I say is there any subject, of course there is a subject. And how we have to identify that? In imperative sentence we use you. Basically you is kept hidden and when we talk about that sentence, so here stand it is verb and you is subject. So in imperative sentences basically you is kept hidden. So if you are asked to identify the subject in this type of sentences, then you have to show that you is subject in brackets. Okay, now another object, sometimes if I say a beautiful flower is kept on the table. Okay, so now what is subject here? Here a beautiful flower, this group of word is subject. Okay, a beautiful flower, here a article determiner, we can say beautiful adjective and flower it is noun. Means whatever the things, we can also use qualifying words with the noun to talk about the subject.
The second one.
Okay, so this is about subject. And now in active and passive voice, if we talk about active and passive voice, when we convert the active voices into passive voices, So generally we used to show the subject after by. For example, this letter was written by Ram. So this is a passive voice sentence, and what is subject here? Here Ram is subject. Okay. So and this portion is predicate. Such type of sentences will be also there. So now again we will talk about the subjects and predicates. So what are subject? Subjects are the things about whom which we talk in the sentence. Whatever we say in the sentence, that is called as subject. That can be noun or pronoun. And predicate means the things which we talk about the subject. हम लोग subject के बारे में जो भी चीजें बोलते हैं या बताते हैं, so that is called as predicate. So these are the parts of sentences. Okay, thank you.